Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove powered by Shopify from your Shopify store footer, right? So basically, one thing you have to do on the left side, you can see a lot of options. So just click on the online store and after that, it will load for a few seconds. And after that, you can see that your theme which you have selected, right? Now here, beside the customize, you will see the three dots. So just click on the three dots and after that, you have to click on edit default theme content, right? And after that it will load again, so you have to just wait here and basically you will find a search bar available here. So here you have to type powered, okay, and just hit the enter and here you can see in the links basically powered by Shopify, and here you have to remove it completely. And let's say if I just enter the whatever, you can just write, you can write it, otherwise just leave it empty, right? For example, if I write it full stop, and here if you don't want to write anything, you have to do just press the space bar and that's it, and just click on the save, right? And this is super easy guys. Now if I just open my online store here, right, and I haven't added anything in the bottom footer, you will see that there is nothing, right? And if I just write here something, if I write here super, right, and if I just click on save, right, and it is saving, just wait, and after that if I just refresh my store here and if I go to bottom, you can see it's written super, right? So this is super easy guys. If you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.